with myself Sumit Koli and welcome to my channel Code with Koli. So today I am going to solve one of the Git error which usually many of us face while pushing the code to the GitHub. The error is such that the remote origin already exists. So many of us face this error while pushing the code to the GitHub. So how to solve this problem? We will go on the VS Code and then we will try to see it. So we are on our screen, and before this I want to show that I have created one of the repo on the GitHub, and I want to push each and every code which I have written in this file, in this folder. I want to push everything into this repository on the GitHub. This is my GitHub profile, and we can see I have created one of the repo as practice error. So we will try to push it. So we know that command how to push. So we know we need to do git add, git commit, and git push. So before that, but if we want to prepare one environment, means this is the fresh repository and we have nothing over here. So we need to push that thing. So we need to do git init for that. So git init. So I've done git init over here. So I want to push this code into this repository. So I need to copy this code. So we will try to copy this code from over here. And if I click enter, so we can get the error as remote origin already exists. So this is an error which usually many of us face. So how to solve this type of error? So to solve this type of error, the same code which we have copied from the repository, we need to copy it and we need to make some changes over here. So the changes are such that we can see over here after remote, we can see there is an add. So we need to remove that add and we need to write set URL, set/URL. And if we click enter, so here we can see there is no error such now. So I will try to, yes, now it is visible clearly. So there is no error. So now if I do git add, git commit, and git push, it will be successfully pushed into the GitHub repo. So we will try to do that things. Git add. So here we can see there is no error. So git commit. So yes, here we can see that there is some changes and we are pushing everything into the GitHub. So we will do git push origin main. If I click enter, so the code will be pushed onto the GitHub. So here after the operation has completed, we can see each and every thing, all the things which we have written over here, it will be pushed onto that repo. So here we can see the operation is being performed, the code is being pushing into that repo. So I will show the output as well. So it will be successfully pushed into the GitHub. So this how we can solve this error by only making one of the change, that is instead of add, we can write set URL and our problem will be solved. So this how we can do these things. And one more thing. A question may arise in your mind that if we create a repo, how all these things we are getting. So I have not included the readme file, so I'm getting all this code. If you include the readme file, the thing will be another, means the appearance of git repo will be a different in the different type. So here we can see all the things have been posted into the GitHub, and we will try to refresh it. So if I refresh, I don't know why today my internet connection is a little bit slow. So here we can see that everything has been pushed into the GitHub, and we can see each and everything into in the GitHub and also the readme file. So this how we can solve the problem. So this was